again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today I want to make you guys some peanut porridge with banana and almond, green plantain and almond. Now I got one green plantain right here, so all I'm going to do is remove the skin. Alright, just like this. Nice one. Once you remove the skin, just gonna cut it up small and put it into your blender. So that's one plantain. Almond, very good for you. Alright, so we're going to get some almond to put inside of it, alright? Make sure you check your almond then. Alright. That's when you have the mildew. Alright, now, yeah, almond good. We're gonna put some almond inside of it. Not a lot. Red peanut. Skinless red peanut. I'm gonna put some of this inside of it. Nice one. Now I'm gonna add coconut milk to it to blend it. Right? Nice one. So we're gonna add some coconut milk to blend it. Alright. So I roughly about quarter can of coconut milk I use. You can use milk or water, but I like to use the coconut milk. Give it a shake. Free the blender. Now we're going to just blend this for about 2 to 3 seconds. It won't be long, it's gonna be a quick one. Alright. Now, yeah. Things looking good. So, what we're gonna do now is proper blend it up. Alright. You guys can see exactly what I'll be doing. Add a little bit of water to it, just to free it up a little bit. Really thick. Nice one. That's it. Finished blended. Now let's go over to the stove. You guys can see exactly what's going on over here. Nice one. Now, medium-sized pot with roughly about 3 cups of water. The most important thing is to see the water start to boil first. Now I'm going to get that mixture and pour it out inside of the water. And use a whisk and whisk it like this. It's going to get really thick up. That's just the rest of the coconut milk. Put inside of it. So we're just waiting for it to boil. Once it boils, just allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. And a medium-sized heat. In the meantime, I'm drinking a detox tea. Alright, so that's the way you're supposed to do it. See, start to get thick. So we're just going to allow this to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium-sized heat. Alright, so you can cover it or you don't have to cover it. It's your option. Alright guys, but yeah, just keep your eye on it. In the meantime, you're cooking it and do a little thing like this. Nice one. So I turn on my stove low. So I'm gonna leave that to cook for about 20 minutes. Alright, so what we're going to do is put a pack of oats in it. Alright. When it's near to cook, that's the best time to put the oats in it. So you don't want the oats to cook out too much. Just gonna leave this for about 4 more minutes. Make it cook a little bit, and then we're good to go. Yeah, here it is. It's boiling up. Sea salt. Gonna put some spices now, season it up and spice it up and nice one. Vanilla, tablespoon. Rounded nutmeg. Cinnamon powder, mixed spice, mix it up. Sweet condensed milk as it goes along, sweeten and taste. I know the camera might not blow, it might blow out, you know, because I'm whistling up. Let's taste it. Yeah. Tastes amazing. Not too sweet. Little bit more. Your favorite salt. I'm using sea salt. It's healthier. Few more minutes and we're gonna share it up. Nice one. So what we're going to do now, we're going to shear it up. Because look at that. That is just ready to go. Alright? Thank you for tuning in, guys. Alright? I'm going to shear it now. Nice one. So we're going to shear this beautiful and amazing porridge right here. Alright? Now, as you can see it for yourself, this looking so good. Look at that. Ah, that is amazing. Nice and lovely. Alright, hopefully you guys like this one. Just tune in. We have a lot more recipes coming for you guys from Chef Ricardo. Enjoy it. Here it is. That's the way it's going, huh? Yeah. This is exactly what you need. Look at that. Sell off. Let me taste it. Alright. This was nice. The almond, the peanut, the banana, green plantain I mean, and the oats. Amazing. See you later, guys. Respect, and I love every one of you. Next time, more video.